Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant error code van79. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you go to search, go to settings, and make sure that your operating system is up to date. Windows Update, check for updates. And if there is an update, please install and restart your computer. Another thing that you need to do here, depending on what GPU you're using, I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an NVIDIA app. You just need to go to drivers and install latest drivers here. Also, if you are on AMD or NVIDIA, or obviously you can go to graphics, then go to Valorant. Make sure to expand this option here. Make sure resolution is recommended, that says recommended, and also display mode is full screen. Also, drag this bar to only to performance, right? And look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, close all the Riot client services on Task Manager. It should be no Riot client related tasks or Valorant or Vanguard. And then what you need to do here is to go to services. Then click on one of the tasks here and press V until you see VGC. Right click on it, properties, make sure start of type is automatic, and then server status is should be not stopped but running. Wait for a couple of seconds and look if the problem persists or not after VGC is enabled. If the problem persists after VGC is enabled, what you need to do here next is to go to uninstalled installed apps, then go to and look for Vanguard and uninstall Vanguard here. Uninstall it and press yes. Then open up Riot Client, look for Valorant and press update and install Vanguard with an update. And then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists after you install Vanguard, as you can see here, I need to restart my system to work. But if the problem persists, here what I suggest to do next is to press on the little thing here, go to settings, then look install path of Valorant. For me is this key, Valorant and live. And then what you need to do here, you need to open up your disk where the game is installed. So disk E, then Valorant live, and then as you can see here, there is Valorant exe. So first up, what I suggest to do here is to right click on it, properties, compatibility, make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator, apply OK, then copy the path, then go to Windows Defender Firewall, then allow a new app or feature to Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, allow another app, browse, and paste the Valorant exe and press add. And then, as you can see here, it should be bootstrap package game. Make sure it's on private and public and apply the changes here. And still, if this did not work, you need to probably enable secure boot and TPM 2.0 on your BIOS to Valorant to basically to work. So I will leave the video in the description below showing you step by step how you can do that, or in the comment section. So you just need to watch it, super easy and fast. You just need to enable TPM and secure boot, and then it should work. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.